Hey guys, President of HB Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here at 2 Tanager Court in Savannah, Georgia, part of the Southbridge community. If you don't know about Southbridge, oh my God, what a great community. It's got a golf course, they do like pickleball, they got tennis courts, they got pools, and it's really close to 16, so you can get to anywhere Savannah has to offer. You can get up to Atlanta quick too, but also this home has its own pool too, so you get access to 2 pools. Of course, the rest of the house is gorgeous. It's a 5 bedrooms, 4 bath home with 4,107 square feet, offered at $850,000. Let's go check it out. Welcome home, right? All right. Love this one, love this one. As you walk in, as you can see, you got your dining room is right here, and this is brand new chandelier right here. And I love the space they got in here. Right next to the Butler's pantry, as you can see, with marble, and we'll go through there. But I also don't want to miss over here, little flex area, one that you can put, like I would do probably, if I had it my way, an office right here. You get all that natural light coming in. Not much in the way to distract you because it's just a house over there, by the way. But this is a great spot for an office, maybe a little play area for the kids, whatever you want to use it for, that's what it could be. And we walk through this dining room real quick, and let's just show you this Butler's pantry real quick. This would be great for like a dry bar. As you can see, you got your wine glasses and all that stuff. You can put all your liquor there if you want to, or you make it a coffee bar. If you like to drink coffee, you can put all your coffees and teas right there. Fantastic. But let's walk you through the main area right here. So I love this right here, very big. So if you had people that need wheelchair accessibility, they can definitely get through here, no problem. Okay, but look at this space right here. Wow, right? Look at this kitchen, it's open, wide open. So if you're cooking, cleaning, and all the action party is going on over here, you can see it all. Same thing with the outside pool. And another great thing is about this pool, and we're gonna go out there, is that if you open this up, it's already screened in, so you can bring the outside party inside, and all you want to do, the family gathering is amazing. Here's a little area right here. You can be like an eating nook, maybe put a round table here. Look at everybody using the pool, it's fantastic. Marble countertops, which I love that. Microwave down here, stainless steel appliances. Look at this gorgeous refrigerator. My gosh, it's great. And then you got your farm style sink, under mounted dishwasher right here. And then I'm gonna let Brandon take care of the pantry right there, but it is huge. Check that thing out real quick. Love the way they got it built in there. I am jealous when I see a pantry like that. You can fit all kinds of food in there. It'd be good for doomsday prepping maybe. I don't know. You fit a lot of food in there. And then I want you to check out this laundry room real quick. And then we're gonna shoot over to this room. I love that tile, right? Super neat. And it goes out to the garage. We're not gonna do that, it's a 2-car garage. You're not missing much in there. And let's go into this one now. I don't want you to miss the bathroom coming here. It's got a shower tub combo. It's got some granite marble countertops. Fantastic tile floor, check that out. All right, now here's I would say this would be a great guest bedroom, right? I mean, it's big enough. Every room in this home, all 5 rooms can fit a king size bed. So I don't want you to think, I'm not gonna say it every time I go into a room, they're all really big. And they can fit the furniture and all that good stuff. Of course, it's got a closet right here. So, you know, it's got some nice built-ins already in here, okay? But you can take that out and do your own, whatever you wanna do. That's up to you. But let's go upstairs. And when you come upstairs, boom, you got this great lofted area. Another place you can have an office, you know, with me and my wife, we both kind of work from home, you know, me half the time, her probably all the time. 2 offices are definitely necessary in our house because her on the phone and I on the phone at the same time, stinks. In here, you can do that super easy. You get this another spot right here. You have another office. You have a spouse that works from home as well. You do too. Great spot. Let's check out this first bedroom up the stairs. I would say probably the same dimensions as the one downstairs. I mean, I think it's sitting right over that one as well. So same dimensions as the one down there, but this one, you know, this one's great because it has access. You know, obviously you get your closet right here. Not all the built-ins the one downstairs had, but you got also access to the hall bathroom right here. We're gonna go in through the other way, but you can get into the bathroom this way, so it's pretty convenient on that. So let's go this way and show that. I'm gonna let you handle this bathroom, Brandon. Once again, marble countertops, beautiful tile floor, shower tub combo. I like the black they're using for their handles and all that stuff. That's really neat. Adds a little pop, you know what I'm saying, against the white. Fantastic. And we're just gonna hit these as we go. We'll show you this real quick when you get out here. Got a linen closet, normal. Now this one has its own bathroom, kind of same layout. Go right in there, same tile, same countertops, all that good stuff. Now I don't have a measuring tape, but I'm pretty sure most of these rooms are almost exactly the same inside. They all look almost identical in size. Nice size space. Great for anybody that needs to stay here. So that's great. Okay, now we're gonna hit this one. Let me think. Yep, same size. If I had to take a guess, I don't have a measuring tape with me. I got 2 actually in my car, but I'm not gonna go break them out. But you got 2 closets here. You know what I'm saying? So you have, if you have maybe some grown children that come back to move in with their family, plenty of space to keep him and her closet, or you know, if you got someone that has a lot of clothes, they can use the 2 closets. It's fantastic. Now, let's go to the show. Well, I would say this is the main event. I would say the pool is the main event, but this is pretty close second. Wow. I mean, wow. No carpet down here. Beautiful fireplace. Kind of the same fireplace you got downstairs. It's fantastic. You got one downstairs and upstairs. Can you imagine just laying on the bed? Fire going on at the TV, romantic, roses, chocolate, whatever you want. Bearskin rug maybe, I don't know. What are you into? If you're into bearskin, it's on you. We got some pocket doors right here. All right, that separates you from the bathroom, but man, this bathroom is huge. Look at these 2 bowl sinks. You got the black, right? And this mirror, check this out. Not to mention you can, when it's all fogged up, you can defrost. So that's really neat. And then you got your closet for your toilet. Then you got your standing shower, glassed in, and separate tub, which is awesome. I love these tile floors, like wood grain look, but shiny. It's a little bit weird. And then you got your linen closet right there. And then, oh my goodness. What person, now I wouldn't need this size closet, okay? Because that'd be way too much for me. But oh my goodness, like could you imagine this closet? How much clothes can you fit in here? Not to mention it's got all these built-ins that you see here. It also got drawers here for keeping stuff. I mean, on this side and that side, plenty of space on top of here. Marble marble countertop. It's unbelievable. Now that we've seen this unbelievable thing, let's go see the main event in my opinion. Now, I don't know if you've never been to Savannah, then you probably don't know. It gets really hot here. I mean, it's not even a question. But when you got this right here, check this out. Jeez. Heat's not your concern. You just come right out to your own pool And I love that it's screened in, right? Not only for bug reasons, but also the trees can't blow down their leaves into your pool and make it really hard to keep clean. This one is, I mean, damn near crystal clear in that sucker. All right, and then you got 2 doors going out to the yard. So if maybe you got some, cornhole action you want to do, but you own that part of the yard too. So that's yours. Behind this is yours. I mean, tons of space to entertain in here. And also, if you have some people that need to get in through a wheelchair accessible right here. So, I mean, I love this pool. All right. That was Tanager Court in Savannah, Georgia. If you have any questions about this home or any home in Savannah, Georgia, give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.